to this video.
We lately converted a van for a customer, you see here in the back, and in this video you will see how we made the conversion.
At the end I will give you a short van tour, and yeah, I hope you really enjoy this video. Let's start!
Let's start!
So we started to take all the old stuff out and to clean the van to prepare it for the insulation. We used again self-attaching Armaflex. I think it's just great for van conversions. Later we unloaded all the materials we would need for the conversion. For example, wooden plates I pre-cut in a carpentry. The customer asked me to lay a laminate floor he bought before. Laminate is really strong and looks almost like wood. But it is on the other hand quite heavy. The individual elements hold together with a click system, which is often used for floors. I mounted as well aluminium profiles to protect all the edges and to cover the insulation below. Next step, the bed. The customer chose a slide-out bed with lots of storage underneath for Euro boxes. I mounted some parts to the wall with rivet nuts and I screwed the rest into the floor. Here I'm building the under construction out of 3 layered plates and wooden slats. Some customizing here and there for the perfect use of space inside the van. Now it was time for some finishing tasks, like routing the edges to make them smooth and mounting some more aluminium parts. And a little table in the back. Those oak bricks I'm cutting here will be the support for the slide-out bed. I chose oak because it's much harder and stronger than normal fir. So, and now it was time to check the fit and see if it's all right. And it works perfect. So I started to craft the cupboard and table unit. I like the structure of wood a lot, so I crafted the whole surface out of a single piece of 3 layered plate. Then I had to build the under construction. This is every time some try and error until it fits perfect. Later I mounted the metal fittings and installed the fold-down table and the cupboard doors right where they belong. And now you can enjoy how we finished and installed the cupboard unit. We made as well some covers and restored and mounted a little kitchen cupboard the customer has laying around.
So stay with me, it's all I say, and get we're lost another day. Now I don't know a day or two. Who am I when I'm with you? We are our own worst enemies, shadow fighting self-parodies. And up ahead, the wall we face is built by stones we put in place. Shadows cloud your dreams tonight. Don't run away, hold on, don't hide. Hear 'em call your name into the unknown, based on a way that leads you home. Lately I thought too much. What made life be worth as such? Would I enjoy Berlin as well? Without you, my girl, you never can tell. Spare me the trouble and your advice. You needn't have bothered to roll your pretty eyes. And don't you send kind words to me, of which I receive just bad memory.
Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this video where I give you a short van tour of this van we converted lately for a customer. I'm Priscilla and yeah, let's go inside. So come on in. We worked with a lot of massive wood all around. Even you see the ceiling, we did with this beautiful wood and also one side. Then you see the floor. We used wood imitate, but I think it fits perfectly in here. It gives it a nice look. You also see this little additional footstep, which I really like. Okay, then this little furniture that we actually recycled and just built in. So it's a nice space of storage here. So yeah, let's go and I show you the cupboard. Okay, here you see our beautiful cupboard, which have really nice storage room. All over here is a little more. And then we have this really nice table. So you can pull out this piece. And then you have a really nice table. You can sit on your bed and work on it. But you also have some really nice storage place in here. So that's really cool. We also have some additional storage space over here, so you can put things here, or we have some clothes hangers. That's really nice. So yeah, let's see our really cool bed. You actually can slide out this piece, but first I want to show you some really cool storage place we have here as well. So you can just pull out these boxes and they fit perfectly. Under here there are some little ones that I show you now our sliding bed. You can just lift it up and slide it over. Yeah, and then it fits perfectly, and you have a double-sized bed. And come on here. We have this little additional piece under here, so our bed has the perfect stability we need. And then you can take a nap. You can go for a sleep, and it's really nice and big. And yeah. Our last little additional thing we built in is this little outside table. So you can just pull that up, it's really easy, like this. So you can use it for sitting outside and putting things on here, or just a little additional sleeping space if you want. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope we see you soon.
Shadows cloud your dreams tonight. Don't run away, hold on, don't hide. Hear 'em call your name into the unknown, based on a way that leads you home.